we're gonna make this short and sweet. Just a quick unboxing video before I actually set it up and get everything started. Let's give you guys what you came here to see. Just really quick. Corsair Vengeance i8100. You know, you can see the rest of the specs. Pause the video here if you haven't already. So I'm using my phone, obviously, real quick. So let's get this on out the way. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Crack this bad boy open. See what we got. This thing cost a pretty penny, man. A pretty penny. Let's open this bad boy up. There she is. There she is, right there. Look at that. Let's talk real quick about what comes in the box. I don't want to flip this thing over. I obviously opened it from the wrong side. Pretty sure you guys have seen this before. Unpacking instructions. Guess this is the power cable here, and the rest is the actual system itself. Or it comes with a, you know, the warranty guide. You know, thank you for joining the Corsair family. Definitely gonna be needing this because I'm gonna buy some more products from them. All right, we have that out of the way. Go ahead and get this bad boy a look around. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that's nasty. Look at that. That's nasty, y'all. Spent a lot of money on this bad boy. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. See what kind of internals we got. Look at that. Is this a company? Game Rock? Yeah, this is a bad boy. Let's plug it up and see what it looks like. Money well spent. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing video. I know I kind of did it in chunks, just trying to hurry it up real quick. I look forward to doing an actual video when this bad boy is, you know, set up with the monitor and the mouse, keyboard, and all of that. So, if you tuned in, man, I appreciate it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know, I'll give a more in-depth review later, but until next time, guys, it's Minerva signing off. See you.